Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is preposterous. It's pronounced Preposterous, and it is spelt Preposterous. That's a long word right there. Think pre, then post, then the letters E and R, and then us. Preposterous means very silly or stupid. For example, you could say it was a preposterous idea to try and pass the test without studying. That is a preposterous idea. The word preposterous comes from the Latin word Preposterous, meaning absurd or unnatural. As preposterous means something ridiculous, are you ready for some absurd but true facts? Here they are. More people have been to the moon than the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean. Flamingos turn pink due to the amount of shrimp they eat. It's impossible to hum whilst holding your nose. Go ahead. Try it. Preposterous is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, the ticket prices for football games are absolutely preposterous. Preposterous can be turned into preposterously, which is an adverb meaning in a way that is completely unreasonable or ridiculous. For example, you could say, he preposterously suggested going to the beach in the pouring rain. Preposterous is defined in the dictionary as contrary to reason or common sense, utterly absurd or ridiculous. Preposterous's synonyms include absurd, ridiculous, foolish, stupid, irrational, illogical, and ludicrous. Antonyms include reasonable, sensible, believable, credible, and logical. See if you can notice anything preposterous today. It could be something silly that your friend or sibling says to you, or it could be something that you find ridiculous. Be sure to let people know by saying, "That's preposterous." Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.